Morning time, Ella.
Afternoon. How can I help you?
You don't know, sir, Mr. Birchell send me around here and him say, I look at new artist, you see me?
Birchell. Me tell Birchell say stop sending artists around here now. Cause last time him come round with an artist must name Grandma's one or something like that, you know. And me don't know him. I have to run it to them out of my studio.
I don't too know about that in my general. I just know him say I look at new artist, I'm forward, you see me?
Matter of fact, how me a talk to you coming to my studio and you look that weird? I disrespect you disrespect me, youth. Youth when people are talk to you must look upon them, man. I disrespect your company, disrespect
Sorry
me
about
studio.
that, general.
What about the
Blows say, my name, you see me?
How about your face?
That's my thing, this is not bossy. You don't know in Jamaica as an artist, you have to have a little thing, you have to have a buzz, you see me? So my buzz this, you see me?
Buzz? Listen me no man, me don't even want to hear you.
Bruh.
Me don't even want to hear you. What's a Birchell saying? Me don't even want to
So
hear
I
you.
talk about that. Me tell Mr. Birchell, so me not forward around here, you know. Because all do I discriminate against the young youth them and the artists them, you know. And everybody are gonna be beanie and bunting them so dead off, you know. And if you bust a new crop of youth them, man, who know if me are the next Sean Paul or Shaggy? You don't know me, general. But based on just me looks and me appearance, you're gonna make a
But
judgment.
you talk about Beanie and Bunty. Me not try judge you, you know, but your appearance is a big part of your selling point, and right now me not want to buy from you, you know.
I'm left out of this, yeah.
Hold on, man, hold on, come here. Since you want me to hear you out, alright, me not gonna discriminate against you, alright? You have your track?
I mean, if me have a track.
Alright,
Me ready,
one
you know.
on the boot. And nobody going there with no rubbish, you know. Hold on, where the glasses they come from? Where the
Nah,
glasses
man,
from?
watch your glasses, my general. That's part of buzz, you see
Alright,
me?
I'm gonna play your track.
I feel like I'm gonna regret this. I feel like I'm gonna regret this.
Skate. Don't know, I know. Oh, you say, man, we are skate from Manchester. In a Tesla. Outside from the highway. Came in the party. Very out in the hardy. House can't skate on the tool. Skate. Land can't skate on the tool. Education can't skate on the tool. Skate. None of them can't skate on the tool. No, house can't skate on the tool. Skate. Land can't skate on the tool. Education can't skate on the tool. None of them can't skate by what kind of house. Me na in a NASA. Give me fine couple meals, sim that. Not even rent, not pay, not a bill, not we a student. Pan the tool and the winner that 5 stars. Be what NASA, invest in myself. Be what NASA, when me can go buy the Beamer. With a shorty by my side, dropped up with a height. So house can't skate on the tool. Skate, land can't skate on the tool. Education can't skate on the tool. Skate, none of them can't skate on the tool. House can't skate on the tool. Skate, land can't skate on the tool. Education can't skate on the tool. Hear me now, my father. I be chopping line by your morning. Summer brawling, whitey, I be go get took like a marlin. Then me spend couple dead face, BOJ thing on me. Skating me big yacht like a leeching.
No more. Where's the L? Talk about us, That's a rubbish shoot.
I mean,
You really believe the words that we just saying on the boot away?
bossy, house can't skate on the toll. You see me? Land, education, stocks and everything when I talk about can't
You
skate
really
on the toll.
believe, say, if you buy one car or buy one house, a car will depreciate as soon as it come off of the lot, you the way you talk about.
Other brother man I try come school, man. You think some man an idiot?
You don't move like say you're not an idiot. You know no sense.
Are you not no sense? What you talk
But
about?
you mean not no sense. You know no sense, you.
Nah, no sense.
We'll go back and forth today for. You see like how you say you have a buzz? Just take your time and buzz back yourself.
Bruh.
Out of my studio. Yeah man, just buzz yourself out of my studio. But house can't escape on the tool. Rubbish.